Hi Tina, this is Molly from New England Leads. We're going to try this again. Sorry, the first time I filmed it, the sound wasn't working. So I'm reshooting the video, and so I appreciate your patience with me. As I'm looking over the website analysis, first of all, checking out your website, your logo makes me so happy. I love it. He's a cheerful guy. So as I'm scrolling down and looking at some of the services that you offer, trying to find what areas you serve, I've come down here and I'm looking around, looking for the different areas. The first thing that I wanted to talk about was content. Google really, really likes content. They want to see that you have a minimum of 1,500 words on the front page. That's really important to them because if somebody is searching for appliance repair in the Boston area, Google is going to go crawling the websites on the internet and they're searching and ranking those results. Google is searching for keywords. They're trying to figure out what that site should be found for and what they should pop up, what searches they should pop up for. When Google comes in, they're going to be crawling through your content. They're trying to find out what services do you offer and what areas will you go and do you service. If someone puts in refrigerator repair, we'll say Beacon Hill, Massachusetts, and you have that wording on there, then that's going to make you a lot more relevant and it's going to help you show up at the top of the search. You want these keywords and towns listed 10 to 15 times at least throughout your website. That gives Google something to go off of. This is really going to ensure that the people who are looking for your services in your area will find you. So I went ahead, I decided to pick Dorchester and I put in appliance repair Dorchester and wanted to see what came up. First thing that comes up, this is our map pack. The top 3 are going to receive a lot of the work because they're so easy to find. And showing up here is all based on citations. It's where and how many times your name, address, and phone number show up throughout the web. Then the next thing that you get into is the organic section. The organic's going to get about 60% of the clicks. So you really do want to aim for the top 3. But if nothing else, the top 10. And that's for every single town that you service. You don't just want to show up for Boston and Cambridge. You want to think of everything that your clients are going to search and make sure you're on the front page for that. So I clicked on, this is a directory. I came down here to same day appliance repair. And the first thing that you see is it says appliance repair, Dorchester, Massachusetts. And they go through and they talk about the area. And it looks like it's not much. And you're wondering how in the world is this little page ranking above you? But if you look up here, they have created a service location for Dorchester. It comes off of, their main website. And so they're using the power of their main website and the specific locations to show up in every town. Because I'm going to show you what they have when you click on service locations. Whereas for you, you do have them listed, and that's great, but they have created an individual web page for each one. And that is how they're ranking because they've got, Andover so many times written on their page. And they've gone through for every single town that they rank, and they have built a page for them. So then we go in and let's take a look. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and that allows me to see the back end of websites and really figure out why are they ranking the way that they are. And you come in here and you've got your UR rating, that is your trust rating, and your DR rating, which is your authority. It shows Google how powerful you are in their eyes. And the way that you raise these numbers are through backlinks and referring domains. They have historically had 13,000 backlinks. They only have 3,000 right now. But not all backlinks are created equal. You've got to make sure that you're being referred from domains that have authority themselves. Because even out of the 315, they have only 228 of them will actually, if someone clicks that link, will take them back to their website. So you've got to make sure you're listed in the right places that carry weight and authority. But what they're really crushing it in, as you can see, they're getting over, on average, 4,000 website visits a month through their organic traffic. And that's because their keywords. Their website is so word heavy that is how they're showing up all over the web, because they have the content to go off of. And you can see all the things that they're ranking for, in their number ones. Right here, number one, appliance repair in Franklin, Mass. And not that you may or may not service them, but appliance repair right there, appliance repair, appliance repair, appliance repair. They're number one in all these searches because they've got the town names, the state written over, Lowell, Woburn, over and over and over in their website. So let's take a look at how you guys are doing. You're doing a good job on your backlinks and your referring domains, but again, you really want to check and see what is the weight and authority on every single referring domain. Because out of this 230 of them, I went through and counted. 173 of them are, on a scale of 1 to 10, or 1 to 100, they're on websites that are weighted at 10 or below. And I believe 57 of those are 0. So they don't have any clout to them. If you want to go through and find, 173 places where they do have weight that are, 50 or above, 70 or above, 80 or above. And also in the keywords, because you guys don't have a ton of content, Google does not have a lot to go off of. And so you're ranking in things, but you could be ranking in so many more places. Really, it's just Boston and Cambridge, which is wonderful, but you're banking that that's what people are going to search rather than really go, try and find someone who's town specific or area specific. So, here you're on, rank number 11, number 12, 14, which is, that's where we're looking at right now. So it really is those keywords, and that content makes a huge, huge difference. So I hope that this video has helped. I hope that it's kind of go over how you can get yourself higher up and on that front page for every single town that you want to service. Number one, by getting that homepage up to 1,500 words. Yep. Your UR, your DR ratings by raising those backlinks and, finding out where your competitors are listed and get yourself listed there too, so that you can beat them out and show Google that you have got more authority than they do. And I'm super confident that if you implemented these strategies, you could easily be on the front page of Google for every single town and every single thing you service, because you not only want to rate for appliance repair, but what appliances are people searching for? Dishwasher, refrigerator, all those things, and the town. So it's a lot of word combinations. I would love to hear feedback from you. I'd love to follow up and see if any of this was helpful. And I wish you the best, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.